Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to set up Instagram shop. So first thing that you will do is simply check for eligibility. So to ensure your business is eligible, you should be located in a supported market and you sell physical goods and you complies with Instagram policies and agreements. And next up is verifying your Instagram account. So it should be a business or creator account. So now once you have ensure your business is eligible, just simply set up a Facebook shop. So go to Facebook Business Manager and set up a Facebook shop. And from there, just simply link your Facebook shop to your Instagram account via Commerce Manager. And after that, guys, just simply connect your Instagram account. So open up the Instagram app and go to your profile. And from there, just tap the three lines in the top right corner and select settings. And from there, just go to a business or a creator and then select Instagram shop. And from there, submit your account for review and just simply provide the necessary information to proceed. And guys, remember, this may take a few days. And now guys, just simply upload the product catalog by accessing the Facebook Commerce Manager from the Meta for a business section and upload your product catalog so you can either manually add product or integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, and make sure your catalog syncs with Instagram. And now guys, once you have done that, just simply create your shop by going to the Commerce Manager and start the setup process. And from there, just simply add products to your catalog and configure settings for your shop. And from there, just submit your shop for review and wait for approval. And now you can just simply start selling by tagging the products in your Instagram post and stories, adding photos and videos to showcase your products, and just simply promote your shop to attract more customers. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.